Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cash Maestro. My name is Sinclair, and I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to our new subscribers and also cheers to profits. And on today's video, we'll be talking about how to make money using Paxful and Transferwise. Okay, so the last video I made a video about how to create a verified Transferwise account in Nigeria, and I hope you all have watched it. If you have not, please just check the last video I dropped last week and keep up to date. Okay, so on today's video we are going to be talking about how to buy coin from your Paxful using your Naira, then sell to your Transferwise using your USD. Okay, so stay tuned, do not go anywhere, make sure you pay attention to this channel. Okay, so now this is our Transferwise account, and the first thing we are going to do is we are buying, and now this is the payment method. So we are actually going to be buying using the bank transfer. So this is our bank transfer. You change the currency to Naira. So let's type our NGN, then we select our NGN, then we look for a vendor that is certified. Okay, we change this place to worldwide, though it doesn't matter when you are buying, okay, because it will automatically filter it to your bank transfer. So we put a limit so it will be able to filter fast. We are buying 100,000 naira worth of BTC, and now it's loading. And if you see all these vendors that is showing now, most of them we do not meet their requirements, and there are some verifications you need to cross before you be able to meet most vendors, especially these verified ones, these ones that have ratings of 1000 and above. There are some verifications you have to do before you be able to meet up, which is maybe your NIN verification, your email verification, your phone number verification, your proof of address verification. So you make sure that you actually verify at least 3 steps so that you have a high chance of doing an arbitrage with this platform. Okay, so if you are seeing content in this video, please do like the video, subscribe, and do not forget to click on the notification bell so you do not miss updates like this. So back to our video, we are going to be buying using our Naira, and let's see, this guy have a good review. If you check the percentage of what we are buying from, you see that it is a little bit, nothing less than 2% when you are buying. Okay, nothing less than 2%. And actually check their rating. You see some are having 3,000, some are having 1,000, some are having 4,000. All right, so check all these ratings, and once you check all these ratings, pick any one of them and then buy from them. So it's loading, and here we are. So we are buying BTC worth of 100,000, right? So we are going to type in 100,000 in our payment. So 100,000. So we'll be getting 0.00685815. Okay, that is what we are going to be getting. So when you want to buy, just scroll down to read their review. Check if the vendor you are buying from is legit. Okay, check the comments, check people's review on that particular vendor. Then after all these things are in place, then you can hit the buy button. And once you tap on buy, you are going to it's going to bring you to an interface where they will tell you to what you are supposed to do, how much you are supposed to transfer, and also the person you are buying from will drop his details manually. So you are going to send that details and then click on transferred, like notify the escrow funded wallet that you have actually transferred to this particular vendor. Okay, now we are done buying, and the next thing we are going to be doing is selling that our BTC. We are going to be actually selling that our BTC, but now we are not selling to Naira anymore. We are going to be selling using our dollar. Okay, we are going to sell that BTC, and we're going to receive the money for that BTC into our Transferwise account, into our dollar account. All right, and do not mind all these messages that are popping up. Then change your buy to sell option. when you change your buy to sell option, change the bank transfer to your online wallet. So select your online wallet and select Wise, and this is our Wise wallet, okay, formerly known as Transferwise. So this is our Wise wallet. So scroll down. If you're scrolling down, you see other online wallets you can actually use depending on your region and the country you are in. But here in Nigeria, most of these wallets are not acceptable. So let's say Transferwise is like the working PayPal right now in Nigeria, and this is the next big deal. Trust me, if you're into arbitrage, you will understand what I'm saying. So sorry for that. So we are going to change our USD to our NGN to USD. Sorry, we're going to change our NGN to USD. Select worldwide, and yeah. Now the reason only one person is showing is because of the limit that I put here, which is 100,000 USD. It was 100,000 naira that was there before, but I did not. Let's say I filtered it to 100,000 USD. You only see people that have within that range. Okay. Now, if you see this person, you see that he have within that range. That's why we are actually seeing him here. Do you understand? So that's it. So what we are going to do is we are going to filter. We are going to filter that 100,000 USD. All right. So let's say we are selling now. We are selling using our Transferwise, and we've changed here to USD. Now we've changed to USD and there is no amount. Okay, so it's going to show us everything full. So we will now select where we are going to sell from. So when we paste, you will see that what we are having here now is 242.72. okay. Now, if you look at this guy, his email is verified, his phone number is verified, his ID is verified, and his proof of address is verified too. So, I think if I had this coin right now, I would be selling to this dude, okay? So, we'll be making our sale to this dude right here. So, when you tap on the sell option, it's going to bring you to an interface, and that interface, you will be chatting with the person you're selling to, the person that is going to buy your coin from you. So the person will ask for your details. So either you send your Transferwise email or you send your Transferwise verified bank account number, your Transferwise USD bank account number, okay? So when you text him the bank account number, he's going to make the payment and he's going to notify and he's going to drop screenshot of the payment. Now, all this stuff does not matter if you do not see the money in your wallet. When I mean your wallet, I do not mean in your pending transactions, because when they activate the transaction, it is going to show that so amount of money is about to enter into your Transferwise account. Okay, so you must make sure that it is showing in your main USD account. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. You are going to make sure it is showing in your USD account. You are going to make sure of that. So let's go to my Transferwise account, and so I can show you guys something. So now you see this place that you're having 0.00 euro, 0.00 NGN. That is where the money is going to reflect, but under your dollar account. So that is where the money is going to reflect, not this one that is showing under that they are saying to your USD account or add in post. No, if it's there, it's not it. Do you get? So if the money is showing there and it's showing you receiving, do not release that coin. Do not lose your money. Pay attention to this. Do not lose your money. Do not release that coin until that coin starts showing at this USD part. Okay, at this USD part, and not this other place that says need your attention, or you see the coin and the coin is showing receiving. Don't release the coin until the coin is showing at that USA flag, at that wallet. Refresh the page and make sure that your coin is there. Are we clear on this? So that's how to make transactions using your Transferwise. Okay, and sometimes the way these scammers work is they activate an invoice, they send you an invoice and you think that the money is coming, then they ignite a transaction. Once they initiate it, the Transferwise, the AI is going to notify you that okay, so someone is entering. Now if you make a mistake and release the coin, they are going to revert that money, and that money is going to come back to their wallet, which means you've lost your coin, you've lost your money, and you've lost your time. Do you understand? So you are going to be very, very careful when you are dealing with Paxful vendors. Okay? So that's one. And two is, when you are also dealing with them, most of them they start a convo with you instead of just going straight to the transaction. They start asking you, okay, so how are you doing? Then they start telling you stories like, this amount you are seeing, that's plus 80% that they are selling above the market rate, is actually not the real deal. It is not the real advert. That the real advert is in a link they are going to send to you. So you should tap on that link. So the link is going to bring you to another interface where their real advert is. Okay, please do not make mistake of tapping any link whenever you are conversing with anybody about any transaction. Any link they send to you, do not tap it, because they are going to have access to your account. Okay, now let's check. Assuming we traded that $242.7, we are going to be timesing it with Binance rate, which is 730 as of the time of making this video. So when we times it by Binance rate, this is what we are going to get. So let's remove the 100,000 we invested, and we are going to be making 77,185 naira 6 kobo. So that is what we are going to be making, guys. So remove 2,000 naira for the whole transaction charges, and you're still going to be making 75,185 naira 6 kobo. Okay, now times this by 3, and this is your end result: 225,556 naira 8 kobo. So do you guys understand? Now back to what I was saying. Do not tap any link when you are conversing with these sellers. Do not make mistake of tapping on any link, please. I'm begging you guys. Do not tap on any link. And sometimes they will even tell you, okay, let us take this transaction to WhatsApp. So they will send you a link that will lead you to Paxful. Like, dude, why are you shifting platforms? Why are you taking me from Paxful to WhatsApp, then sending me a link that will take me back to Paxful? Sorry. That means there is something fishy about it. Okay, I've never tapped the link, but I know these people. I know how these things work. Okay, and also from a friend, I also complained one time that he tapped the link and he got his money wiped off. Thank God he was not like putting a serious money in his account, but his 50k was gone for good. Okay, so you guys should be actually very careful when you deal with these guys. You guys should be actually very careful, and just know that the secret to arbitrage trading is patience. You have to be very patient, you have to be very calculative, and you have to monitor the market, because arbitrage deals on the volatility of the market. Okay, you can be seeing, when you want to buy, you might be seeing a rate as low as 0.5, 0.4, even down arrow 1 point something, which means you are in solid profit. And when you want to sell, you might be seeing a rate of plus 10%, plus 4%, plus 20%, plus 80%, plus 100%. Okay, do you understand? So you have to be calculative. So if you are joining this channel for the first time, do not forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification button so you do not miss updates like this.